chapter 4, verses 15 through 17.
What's up, Champagne? Champagne, get down.
It was promised that Jesus
Girl, you need to drink some water. Well, let me see. Come here. Your nose feel dry as I don't know what.
those who believe and are alive
Champagne.
will see him and hear the trumpet of God and will be with him instantaneously. But this will all be invisible to the non-believer. What has happened is the immediate disappearance.
Good girl. Oh, girl, back up, back up, back up. You slobbing on me? Oh, you don't want me to touch your head? Oh, you acting funny. You're acting funny, Champagne. You don't. No, get down. You don't want me touching your head, but you're acting funny, and you're on my lap. On my lap. You got to stand. Get your paws off of me. Let me see your hand. I gotta wash your face. You got like a little thing. Okay, get down.
Mass apostasy, one world government,
Champagne.
Israel, increase in persecution
No,
against
I'm going to give you one more, and then that's it. One more. Okay?
poured out on the ungodly.
Ugh. Okay, now go back over there on your couch. Get back over there on your couch. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.